Wow. Horrible.
You are horrible. Okay, so last on the roster for Beyblade Super King with the new layer system Sparking, which is unequivocally, undoubtedly way better in every way than GT, and I loved GT. That was as good as God, in my opinion. This is Super King amazing. It's so good, and I'm gonna be battling Samuraizor against Helios.
Yes.
Hello, my name's Flash. Welcome to my Cocoa Puffs ASMR.
Jesus, no.
Stop it! Stop it!
See you guys in the next video. Quake out.
First one to 15. Behold! Samuraizor, what are you doing? You gotta hit the.
You're gonna hit?
Oh! God!
1-0. Jesus.
Yo, what mode are we in for the...
We are in attack mode.
Nice. Oh my lord.
I'm seeing the battle in like 3 frames.
Get better Wi-Fi.
Okay.
Or like it's very bad. I can't.
We're just watching it in slow motion.
Yeah.
Yay! 2-1.
Yeah.
See, oh my god, that hop was kind of dope in slow motion.
Okay, that
I
was.
was watching this battle in slow motion. Like, you literally picked him up as you were launching. That's how bad this is.
Shut up! Shut up, you guys! Just get better Wi-Fi. 2-2. Here, I'll see what I can do.
I'll trust you until I see it. All right, 2-2.
I'll see what I can do.
Now you.
Okay, we have a turn. It's 2-2, and Helios is putting up an excellent fight.
Nice, man.
Yeah! Dude, these battles are awesome, and it didn't even click.
How is the clicks on Helios, by the way? Okay.
Did I miss launch? I can't remember.
Can't remember.
Tonight's been a really bad night for me. I don't want to hear it.
Remember if you missed launch?
It's been a pretty rough night for me.
Answer the question.
Wait. DK!
What?
Not me, I'm stupid. DK.
I left the call and came back.
It's
so
3-2. We're just calling it there.
Oh!
No, wait, please.
Samuraizor!
Come on!
Not even a click.
Damn.
3-3. This thing is super good. It's Super King. Super King Helios.
Ooh!
4-3. Spider Key.
Does it have the 4-3-2 to come back to the next one?
It's 4-3, you idiot. God, you know how to do it.
You were genuinely scared.
4-4.
Yeah, bro. That was the most extreme
Ow! Fuck!
Man, caught on camera.
Quick screen.
Dan is caught on camera. He'll wait for the rest of his life.
Okay.
Oh man!
Alright.
That's 5-4. Spider Keys.
Oh god. I'm not getting to indulge in your spider stuff.
Yes, 6-4. I could actually keep up now.
Yeah, and the video is actually keeping up too, so I can actually watch this in real time. Okay, that was...
What happened? Nothing happened to Helios. It was completely fine. Why? That's 6-5. Ah! 7-5.
His legs are Iberian.
Oh, man.
Oh!
DK.
Hi.
Oh my lord.
Hi.
Lord Spriggan, no!
Oh.
Pretty better than
7 to
impet.
6.
All you're gonna hear for like a minute straight is just me going impet.
Okay.
I just need to get
8 to 6.
video of you doing that DK.
I'm just saying.
Ah! Dude, it ripped the tape that was holding it down!
That's not pretty prep or better than impet.
Jesus!
Oh my, that's scary, dude.
Have to go even further beyond.
7 to 8. What is this nonsense? Ah!
Yeah,
9 to 7. Ah! Ow!
Ow.
Samuraizor gets stuck on the launcher, don't touch me. Ah! 9 to 8. Piss. Ah! It doesn't count. Ish. 9 to 8, come on. Burst! Please burst! Ah! 9 to 9.
Ultimate. Sad face. Wait, what's the score?
It's 9 to 9.
Oh.
10 to 9. No!
Met. Just met. 10 to 9. Jesus.
Behold!
Oh, what a coward. Just ran out.
Just dipped.
Coward.
I'm really annoyed by that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh my god.
10 to 10.
Did you see the hop? Did you see the hop?
I did. I really did. I'm more focused on beating this thing now. Draw. 10 to 10. Yeah, I need to put more tape down. Please. Stadium's flying up.
Maybe I need to go get some Cocoa Puffs.
Dude.
Maybe that's the key of Samuraizor's.
More Cocoa Power. Ah! 11 to 10.
Oh my god. It keeps.
I can't keep up. Ah!
We just lost the man.
Come on. Come on.
So I was like, oh, damn.
I'm spooked. I'm spooked. It's 12 to 10, and Samuraizor needs to win. 12 to 11.
Wait, quick.
Yes.
Before you continue it, I can't see Jack Diddley squat.
Jack Diddley squat. Why not? Is it because you suck?
Yeah, the camera's not on.
My camera is on. You're just stupid.
No, it's not working.
You're DK. You're just
No.
stupid.
Now I can see it.
Now you can see?
On. Yes.
All right. Well, you missed an
weird.
awesome battle because you're stupid.
Right. Well,
12 to 12. Yeah.
Just a little pat on the back.
Samuraizor's
So I
got
was
this. Well, I mean, if I could. Beyblade is hard.
Beyblade is hard. Back in.
13 to 12. 13 to 13.
I can just hear you say run in the background as I'm watching this. Here's the epic okay. Here's the epic anime music in the background.
I'm gonna redo that last one. Still 13 to 13.
Alright.
Okay, that's why it wasn't working. The launcher goofed. Okay. Ha! 14 to 13.
Wow. This time, Samuraizor met and
Ow!
for the one shot.
Loaded one shot. Is that 15 to 13?
Hold on, secondary name.
Is that 15 to 13?
Yeah.
Yay! All right.
Yeah. What?
Yay! All right. You can expect a rematch because I'm not through with this thing.
Yeah.
As for Hyperion, or as for Helios and Ragnarok, those bays are also super good, and I totally recommend getting them. I still haven't found the layer from last time, so that's cool. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Don't you interrupt? Don't you interrupt?
No, it got Hakai. No, I'm trying to tell the honest guy.
Don't you interrupt me!
It's gone from existence. If Samuraizor Hakai, it's over. He's the actual god of destruction.
Yeah, sure, and it just got its god of destruction butt handed to it.
It got obliterated.
We'll deal with that later. Thank you everybody for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.